Nurse Thatcher was thankful it was Thursday. She knew that on Thursday she had to deliver 33 boxes of thermometers to the North American Athletic Club. They thought that thermometers were necessary for testing the hydrotherapy beds. These were thought to benefit the athletes with arthritis. The athletic trainers required authorization to provide hydrotherapy to the youthful athletes on the three bulletin boards with thumbtacks throughout the athletic club. Rather than wreck the health of the athlete, they thoroughly checked the thousands of thermometers to ensure their worthiness. Otherwise, they needed to be thrown away.